Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm happy I'm back making hair videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful wig, including how to ventilate a closure. This has been highly requested. But before we jump right in, I would love if you subscribe to my channel. It will really warm my heart to have one more subscriber, and turn on the bell notification so that you will never miss out on any of my content. So this is the wig cap that I'm going to be using on this wig, and I'm just placing it down on my mannequin head, and then I'm gonna pin it down just to make sure it doesn't move while I'm still. One side should be short and one side long, so this is how it should look like. And now you're ready to start ventilating. So to ventilate, pass the ventilating needle through one hole on the lace, pick 2 to 3 strands of hair, pass it through the lace, take the hair on the other side, rotate to the side, then pull it through the loop. So here I zoomed you in to see clearly what I'm doing. Believe me, the knots are not as big as they seem on the camera. Again, pass the ventilating needle through one hole on the lace, pick 2 to 3 strands of hair, pass it through the lace, pick the hair on the other side, rotate to the side, then pull it through the loop. But the more you're getting close to the hairline, make sure you reduce the amount of hair that you're picking. The front at the hairline, just do one strand for the hairline to look more natural. So when I'm ventilating these days, I don't follow any lines or pattern. I just ventilate randomly, just making sure I'm not crowding the lace or spacing it out that much. I have another detailed video on how to ventilate. I'll make sure to put it down in the description below. And I am done ventilating. So to make the parting visible, make sure you leave one line at the center, and that's it. So I braided the closure just to make sure it doesn't get in my way when I'm sewing the tracks down. I usually space out my tracks by 1 inch, and I don't really draw guidelines, but for this video to be as detailed, I'm going to demonstrate how the tracks follow each other. Show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. So here I'm laying my first weft, and it is always important to pin down your weft before you start sewing.
Every move I make, you're falling in love. The way my lips feel on your body, paper moving in the dark. Every move I make, you're falling in love. The way my lips feel on your body, paper moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling in love. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. Every move that I'm making, in love.
So once I get to the end of the first weft, I flip it to the other direction. I don't like to cut my wefts because it causes a lot of shedding and you want to avoid that. So flip it and then pin it down, then repeat the process of sewing until your wig is complete. So for this last track, you want to do the same exact thing. Flip it over to the other direction. Then you're going to pass the needle through the weft and then through the perimeter of the closure just to close up that space.
Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, paper dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, paper moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, paper dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.
I applied some of this just to revive the curls a little bit, and look at how beautiful it came out, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two. Make sure you like this video because it helps me a lot, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, paper dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, paper moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, paper dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, paper moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. Every move to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark.